Oh, turn that down. Good morning and welcome back to our channel. It's been a crazy few weeks as we're getting ready to pack up. Well, we're packing up our little flat here in the countryside of England, and we're heading off back home to Australia because our visas are running out. So hopefully we're going to renew our visas in Australia and we'll be back. But we're off on a 2-week trip to Philippines, and yeah, thought we'd show you around our crazy little pack up. So that's that. We've fully packed up our whole flat, locked it up, can't go back in. Had to do a huge clean and everything, make sure we get our bond back. Jori's raced off to hand the keys in to the real estate, and I'm here with all our stuff, and we're about to jump on the train and head off to Rugby to visit a friend. Tomorrow into London, and Monday we leave London and we head off to the Philippines.
Oh man,
It's been a big few days.
we had a leaving do last night and I'm really hungover. Carrying stuff and cleaning this morning was ridiculous, but
Yeah.
we're done, we're out, we made it on time.
Cleaned up everything.
We got a train to catch in about 15 minutes, so we're going to run to that now. But last time here beyond this doorstep.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Now we're heading far beyond. Fire Crescent. So I was finishing the final bits of like throwing the last bit of rubbish out just before when Jori was at the real estate, and I had like dust on my hands. I couldn't find a tap outside, so I washed my fingertips in like the bird pond thing.
Oh, yuck.
That might have to be cut.
Nope.
And then I just licked my thumb just then and forgot.
You're disgusting.
Yeah, that's really gross.
Straight down. Thank you.
Whoa. I might need you to go through first and to know you're filming. So, we are staying the night in a hostel with a building site connected to its outer wall. So that's fun.
Last night in the UK.
Just some last minute sewing. Just because I've lived in England for 2 years, I don't have any summer clothes. So I'm just, patching up some shorts that I made so that I don't get too hot.
Because we're super trendy and, we can afford lots and lots of nice, cool designer clothes, but we choose to make them ourselves. I have designer worn Converse, You pay a lot extra for those. They're going for like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars on the new streets, but... Yeah.